heading to a brand new hotel that it's known lately, or is getting known lately, for its wonderful top-notch rooftop terrace. What's the name of the location? What's the name of the hotel? Well, you start to see it. It's Canopy Hilton Cancun. So this is the lobby area, and let's get to explore what it's inside. Nice bikes at the entrance area to clean up your hands and shoes, and the lobby area that has a very nice colorful prop on top, a modern look, feels very modern, and still has appliances that make it look very cozy, and a bar over there. So seems like this hotel is inside Plaza La Isla, which is one of the top-notch shopping malls around in the hotel zone in the heart of Cancun area. And I think that that door interconnects to that area in particular. So hi everyone, this is Sandy, a great friend of mine, and she's in charge of leisure at this property, and she's going to take us over. So all yours.
So welcome to Canopy by Hilton. We are located at La Isla Shopping Village. As you can see, it's a hotel, it's lifestyle hotel. We are pet-friendly hotel as well. The decoration is absolutely awesome. We have also bicycles that we will lend you, that they're located in the entry, and you just have to stop at the front desk in order to get them. Also, you could bring your pets, your dogs, in the property. That is, many people are requesting that. They love to bring their part of the family. And this is the restaurant Azulinda. And the restaurant we serve over here breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it's also very delicious Mexican style and also international. And as you can see here, we have a coyote that is one of the main decorations in the property. And in the bar we serve mixology drinks. A lot of mezcal as well, and margaritas, all different colors and styles. And this is the Canopy Central. Also, you could see some of the decoration. It has a Mexican influence, like skeletons and a lot different colors. Very nice.
Say hi to Tanya, that she's going to be in charge of taking care of your groups. So what do we have here, Tanya? Explain us.
Hi everyone. We have two small meeting rooms at the end of this space. This area is named Mezzanine 1. Those both rooms are for 6, 8, and we have another one from 12.
So we have a total of 3, and they have a different capacity, correct?
Correct. This is our co-working area where everyone is welcome to be connected
and interact. For
Exactly.
business purposes or just to socialize, right?
Exactly. As we are offering internet access in complimentary in every space of the hotel, and in case you may need a bigger space for a meeting, we have our co-working area part A, that is this area. As you can see, we can transport or use our furniture for different purposes.
This is a school style
like.
setup, right? Right, so everybody, as they can see, their chairs facing this nice area that on top has a screen.
Yeah.
So a projector could be done here, a presentation could be here, or maybe a little event for a cozy meeting would be doable.
Also, this area could be used for a private dinner, a private cocktail outside on the terrace.
Okay.
Or maybe a welcome and ice breaking or
meet and greet.
Exactly.
Okay. And now this is the terrace. Nice furnishing, guys. It's like Mexican style, but modern Mexican style.
with a lovely lagoon view.
It has twinkle lights for existing twinkle lights. The lagoon view, the Nichuk de Lagoon view, just from here. It is pretty awesome. In the heart of the Cancun hotel zone. And we are just interconnected to La Isla shopping mall.
Welcome, this is a sunrise king room. Allow me to show you. It's a beautiful, very comfy, very just right room. As you can see, the decoration has a Mexican influence. And over here, we have a Acapulco swing. So it's one of the, all the room has this one and people love it. Take pictures, you know, on Instagram. They love that. And we have a partial view to the ocean. And this is the stairs where you could go to the rooftop. Yeah, it's a really nice room.
So this hotel, you can enjoy the ocean view of the hotel zone and the sunset at the lagoon, right?
Yes. Well, we have an espresso machine that you could have your fresh coffee in the morning. And also, because we love to help the environment, we offer you these bottles that you could refill it in the hallway, and you could refill as much as you want, you know? We don't want to use plastic anymore. So it's very easy just to get your clothing and, you know, and get ready. And the showers is really, really big and, you know, it's comfy.
Yeah, everything is ultra modern and it feels so clean, so new, right?
The Wonder.
And now we are at Wonder, the famous and best rooftop terrace in Cancun hotel zone. Let's get to explore it. On both sides you have the view. On your left hand side it's the ocean, and on the right hand side you do have the ocean at the very end and then the lagoon. Pretty awesome, guys. And an infinity pool and a jacuzzi. Feels so private. We are up into the 6th floor, what it would be the 6th floor. And as you can see, it's pretty awesome because basically you get to see the best view in Cancun hotel zone in this little spot. And what is right in front of us, it's La Isla shopping mall, the famous shopping mall, and this is the lagoon. And at the very far end, it's the other side of the ocean. So if we keep walking around here, I mean, it's pretty big. So as you can see, I'm stopping here. You can see on the left hand side the lagoon. It's a large lagoon. And if you take a look on this other side, it is the ocean all across. Pretty awesome, isn't it, guys? At the very far end of the rooftop terrace, we do have an area that, well, it's well worth it to show you. It could be for a cozy, you know, 25 to 30 people that has a pergola, and we can put some twinkle lights or fairy lights and make a special candlelight dinner for everyone. And with this view, the sunset, it's coming from this side, so from 5 o'clock to 7:30, it's an amazing area to stay. Kokochi desu ka?